Before you begin this prayer, find a quiet place. Take a slow, deep breath. Let the noise of the world fade away. This is not a coincidence. You did not click this video by accident. God has something to say to you today, something your heart needs to hear. If your mind feels heavy, if your heart feels tired, if your spirit feels overwhelmed, stay with me. Do not rush. Do not scroll away. Open your heart, because this message is for you. My beloved child, listen to me. I am speaking to you from the depths of my heart, because you are precious to me. You are not an accident. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. I ask you now, just for a moment, quiet your mind and listen beyond the noise of this world. Listen beyond your worries. Listen beyond your fears. Listen beyond the voices that have tried to define you by your pain. Hear my voice. These words are meant for you, not for everyone else, for you. Stay with me a little longer. Do not rush away. Open your heart, because I want to lift the weight that has been pressing on your soul. I want to remove the sadness that has followed you for too long. I want to silence the thoughts that have stolen your peace. Come closer. Let me hold you. In my presence there is peace, a peace the world cannot give and a peace the world cannot take away. Trust me with your heart. Allow yourself to be loved. I am faithful. I am a keeper of promises. Every word I speak carries purpose, power, and life. I am here to restore your joy. I am here to lift your spirit. I am here to remind you every morning that you are deeply loved. I do not love you lightly. I love you eternally. I want you to do more than hear these words. I want you to believe them. I want you to feel this sacred love flowing through your heart, healing the places you have hidden for so long. I have never left you, not once, not even when you thought I was silent. You are secure in my hands. You are sheltered. You are protected. Place your trust in me completely. My arms are always open to you. I hear every prayer you whisper. I hear every tear that falls when no one else is watching. I hear you when you pray for your family. I hear you when you pray for others while forgetting yourself. That humility touches my heart. As you open your eyes today, take a deep breath and feel my presence surrounding you. I delight in your morning greetings. I delight when you come to me with trust instead of fear. Do not let anxiety control your thoughts. Do not let fear rule your decisions. You placed your trust in me because you know I will never fail you. Hold tightly to my word. Treasure it. Remember what I have already done for you. I rescued you when danger surrounded you. I saved you when death tried to claim you. I reached for you when you were falling. I delivered you when all hope seemed lost, and I will do it again. There are still miracles ahead of you. There are still blessings waiting for you. There are still doors I am preparing to open. Do not allow despair to take root in your heart. I love you too much for that. I want you to live in peace. I want you to experience joy again. I see your tears. I know your pain. I understand the burden you carry for your family. You were never created to live in sorrow, defeat, or shame. You may weep, but you will rise. You may stumble, but you will stand again. You may feel weak, but my strength is made perfect in your weakness. Lift your eyes. You are my beloved child. You are victorious. You are chosen. No weapon formed against you will prosper. No enemy will prevail against you. Your destiny is safe in my hands. Do not focus on defeat. Focus on the victory I have already secured for you. Mountains will move. Chains will break. Your faith will grow stronger. When family matters hurt you, come to me. When confusion clouds your mind, come to me. When exhaustion overwhelms your soul, rest in me. I will renew your strength. You are not invisible. You are not insignificant. You are deeply valued. Even when others fail to see your worth, I see it clearly. Give me your heart, fully, sincerely, without fear. My plans for you are good. My plans are filled with hope, peace, and abundance. Do not give me part of your heart. Give me all of it. A divided heart cannot stand strong in the storm, but when you surrender completely, your foundation becomes unshakable. Decide today. Choose me. Now take a moment and thank me. Thank me for life. Thank me for breath. Thank me for the strength that carried you through yesterday. Gratitude will heal your soul. Gratitude will open your eyes to the blessings already surrounding you. Even in hardship, give thanks. Even in pain, give thanks. Even in waiting, give thanks. Your gratitude is powerful. And finally, share this love. There are many around you who are silently suffering. They smile on the outside, but their hearts are breaking. Be a light, share hope, share love, share me. As you do, I will surround you with peace, favor, and protection. I heard the prayer you whispered last night. I saw the tears on your pillow. I strengthened you while you slept. Today, you rise with courage. Today, you rise with faith. Today, you rise victorious. You are not weak. You are strong in me. Walk forward now. I am with you, always. I love you, and everything will be all right. Amen.
If these words touched your heart, take a moment and sit in God's presence. You don't need to rush back into the noise. Let His peace settle within you. If you believe this message was meant for you, whisper Amen from your heart, or type Amen in the comments as an act of faith. If you know someone who needs hope, someone who is hurting silently, share this message with them. You may be the answer to their prayer. Remember this truth as you go about your day. You are not alone. You are deeply loved, and God is walking with you every step of the way. May His peace guard your heart. May His strength guide your steps. May His love surround you today and always. Thank you for prayer with the grace praise. May God bless you abundantly.